Welcome back, Scott from Wessex Plays in England. Cracker weekend, just insane. What I'm finding is with the overtime that's available at Tesco's, I've got a few pennies now and again, but what I haven't got is time. Now we had to go into Bath yesterday, and they have a service there, which means if you park 2 miles outside the city, you then hitch a ride on the bus on the way in. So cars are parked outside of the main area of the city, and you just bust in 70 at a time. Well, yesterday, it was only the 1st of December, warning signs beginning of the city limits were already saying car parks full, and there were 200 to 300 people waiting to get on these buses. Jackie rang up and she had to wait 3 busloads to get on a bus. Now with all that in mind, and it's only the 1st of December, what I had was I had a voucher for my birthday from Amber, and it allowed me £25 in a camping shop that we get in England. It's called Millets. Now they're twinned up with someone called Blacks. So I didn't want to chance another trip into Bath when I've already managed to get in. So I thought, screw waiting for the January sales, I'll just get this now. What I haven't got is time. I'm in Bath, I'll just find something and use it. So what I found was Blacks. Here's the bag. Blacks. So camping shop, Millets, Oswald Bailey, that sort of thing. And their Swiss Army knives were 25% off up to Christmas, I'm guessing. And then it left me with the quandary, what one do I get? Well, the first one with a saw. Now normally I'll be buying from 7 Days Shop, and they're a big one, with a lock, are usually like 23 quid or something. And 25% off. I had a voucher for it cost me £3, but it cost us quite a bit, but I had a voucher. So what I got was, in the end, it's a 15 function Huntsman. Now as I said, the light in my garage is blinking awful, so what I'll do is I'll bring it down neat and tidy, and we'll do a tabletop soon a bit. Hello there, welcome back. So we're back onto the tabletop, so you see a far better view of the enormous package. Quite why they've decided to put that in a box this big, I don't know. More difficult to steal and conceal? I don't know. In my mind, a lot more costly to transport, store, move about, freight about. That could be a lot smaller than that. Why is it that big? It's attractive, yes, but why? I'm paying for that. So anyway, Huntsman, 15 functions. Now, the main reason I went for this is the first one with a saw, which we worked out on the back. There it is, function number 12. Function 12! It would be function 2 in my mind. It would be large blade, small blade, maybe the big set of pliers. That one was like £50. So it doesn't have pliers, but it has a saw. Great. And then they start doubling up. They got a corkscrew, and then a can opener and a small screwdriver, a bottle opener with a screwdriver. And that was a bit of a step forward up against my Leverman Blast. Superb though this is, I'm not kidding. I used this 30 times yesterday, from opening serviette packets, opening coffee mug packets, because we went to a 4-year-old and 6-year-old's birthday party, and all the disposable plates and cups and napkins, and anybody got a knife? Yeah. Don't take a knife to a gunfight, right? You've got to go prepared. If you've got a kiddies party, somebody somewhere needs a sharp cutting implement to get into all those packets. So Mr. Leverman here came to the fore and did great. But what this doesn't have is a dedicated bottle opener. This thing has a can opener slash bottle opener. It will get the lid off a bottle if you really manage to time it on the corners of the flutes of the bottle crimping as it goes down. But quite honestly, it might take me 15 to 20 goes to do it, and after a while I get so faffed off, I put this away and I get a bottle opener, one of those ones with the twin arms. I get the bottle opener on top. So this hasn't got a bottle opener. This has. I can have my J2O when I want now. Yay! What else has it got? Wire stripper. A wire stripper. Okay. I don't think I'd need a wire stripper. Quite where it is. A reamer. A reamer. Well, I'm looking here and I'm seeing a slotted awl. Well, that's what I'm interested in, not necessarily a wire stripper. A punch, a keyring. Keyring? Okay. Tweezers, tweezers and toothpick. First things I'll probably get lost, so I'll never take them out. I'll need them when I have them. Scissors. Oh yes. Everybody knows they are really useful, scissors. Multi-purpose hook. Okay, yeah, you could be using it for it. And then they put wood saw right down here. I'd have that. Large blade, saw, small blade. But anyway, that's my priorities, so we'll make use of it. Should we get into it? I think so. So, top. And it's all space inside there. This is what I'm on about. The packaging. What? Paying for that, guys. What am I going to do with that now? Is this one of those ironic things where you need a knife to get a knife out? I might be able to pop those buttons. Obviously, I'm creeping around my tripod at the moment. There we are, and we're in. A lot of scratches on it. Some funny marks on it. Anyway, I've got it now. Can't be arsed to take it back. And some detailed instructions on how to put your oil in. And use a can opener. Varying languages. Well, there's the wire stripper. D is at the bottom of the bottle opener. That, apparently, that little notch there is a wire stripper. I'm not so sure. Ah, that's the marks. Not dents or imperfections, it's oil. Okay, looking good. So we have a screwdriver, we have a mini screwdriver, a can opener. Yeah, that'll probably go for a can. But you can always do a Cody and scrape it on a wall. Not really interested in those. What I'm interested in is that. And now we have a use for the packaging. Superb! It's wonderful. Don't need that anymore. We're at. We have a knife for £35. Lovely. What else do we have? Now this is where I get worried about having the keyring there. It should miss. Good. Where's the saw? I want my saw. I can see the teeth, it's there, so I've got a thumb on the end. Ooh, yes. That looks great. Yep. Nothing wrong with that. So I have my two tools. Now, for everybody else who's interested, scissors, a thumb nick on the top blade of the scissors. Let's get rid of the saw. And they're quite large. I think we have a use now for the instruction leaflet. But faultless. Typical quality that is, absolutely faultless. And of course on my Leverman you actually move that right up and over the wrong way. This actually goes, and the spring is bent up and over like that. They did say small blade, didn't they? There he is. Again, just a little dash of oil on there. It's nice to see. I bet this would be just as good as the main blade. That's push cut, guys. Push cut. Superb, 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 superb. That's a very impressive little blade. But is there any need of a little blade if you've got a main blade? Don't know. We've seen the can opener and the bottle opener. Can't miss the... God. Fingers are oily. Corkscrew. Multi-purpose hook. Can I get at it? I mean, I suppose if you're doing a rough sort of bit of network, I suppose you could use it. And whatever that is your slotted awl. Thumb neck is ever so small, and that's got oil running right down it. Yep. I'm not going to take out that thing or that thing, but there it is. Happy birthday from Amber. Thank you very much. The quality is amazing. Yes, they will last a long, long time. I don't think we need a box quite as big as that. Thanks for joining me. It's got my 6 blades with the most expensive Swiss Army knife I've ever even thought of buying.